My name is Tom Kysar, and I'm talking to you from Port St. Lucie, Florida, where my wife Marie and I just moved a short time ago from Oregon, where we came here to retire and be closer to the family. I've been in numerous different businesses, probably an entrepreneur at heart, and I've not been active in the business world for several years because I thought I was ready to retire. Found out that was a mistake. And so I got involved in drones a little bit back in Oregon. I was working with two students at a junior college to help me build a website for drones. I did some extensive research on drones, and then different things happened with family and so on, and so that kind of went by the wayside. And more recently, I've come across the current situation that I'm in with the course, and I've always been wanting to follow up with it. And this came about extremely timely. And the thing that I've mostly taken away from the course so far is the fact that even though I did some writing some years ago and became a quote copywriter, it reminded me, the course reminded me of the fact that there are platitudes that I had really put by the wayside and didn't pay much attention to until it came up in this course. And I thought, wow, here I am again, and I'm ready to move forward and forget these platitudes and work in the area of hot buttons, because I know enough about advertising and have been doing that long enough in my life that I know that these hot buttons and the avoidance of platitudes are the most important thing in getting your business off the ground. You have to know how to market, and no matter what the product is, the advertising and the promotion is the most important thing. And so I'm grateful for that, and I'm looking forward to finishing the course. And I'm going to be starting soon on the FAA 107. And so I appreciate this opportunity. Also, at 85 years old, I've been wondering, am I too old to start again at a business? And I've come to the conclusion that it isn't age that makes a difference. It makes a difference how motivated and how inspired you are. And I've really gotten that from this course. So thank you very much for the opportunity.